Today our class is Pharmaceutical Jurisprudence. Our topic is Poison Act. Firstly, discuss about the introduction, objective, possession for sale and sale of any poison. And sub-classified is possession of any poison or import of poison. Last is the offences and penalties. Firstly, discuss about the introduction of Poison Act. Poison Act was passed in 3rd September 1919 in India. Its main motive is to control the possession for sale and sale, whether the wholesaler or retailer of any specified poison. Then there is some objective of Poison Act. To regulate and control the import, possession and sale of poison. Second one is the central government regulate the import or state government regulate the possession of sale and retailer of any poison. Then next is the possession for sale and sale of any poison, in which the state government grant of license and fixing the fees. Second is the classes of person to whom license is granted or maximum quantity of poison sold to any person. Fourth one is the maintenance of register for sale of poison. Fifth is the safe custody and labeling. And sixth one is the inspection and examination of poison possessed for sale. In which the firstly, जो भी पर्सन सेल कर रहा है पॉइज़न को, उसके पास लाइसेंस होना चाहिए, वो लाइसेंस रजिस्टर्ड होना चाहिए, जितनी भी मैक्सिमम क्वांटिटी पॉइज़न की सोल्ड कर रहा है उसके लिए रिकॉर्ड होना चाहिए रजिस्टर के अंदर, और सेफ कस्टडी होनी चाहिए, और टाइम टू टाइम इंस्पेक्शन करवानी चाहिए. देन नेक्स्ट इज द पोजेशन ऑफ एनी पॉइजन, in which the state government regulate the possession of any poison. First one is if the poison is used for the murder or poisoning cattle, if break of this rule, punishable with imprisonment of 1 year or fine of 100 rupees or both. अगर कोई भी पर्सन पॉइजन को यूज़ कर रहा है किसी भी मर्डर के लिए, अगर वो इस रूल को ब्रेक कर रहा है तो उसको पुनिशेबल हो सकता है या फिर फाइन लग सकता है 100 रुपीज़ और बोथ. देन नेक्स्ट इज द इम्पोर्ट ऑफ पॉइजन. Allowed under specific conditions of license, central government regulate grant of this license. Then last is the offences and penalties. Unlawful possession for sale of poison and import without license or breach of condition of license. Then other is a punishable. There is a two type. If the person is break down this rule, then there is a two type of imprisonment. First imprisonment is 3 months or fine 500 rupees or both on the first conviction. Or second imprisonment 6 months or fine 1000 rupees or both in the second conviction.